All right, guys. Welcome to Clickfunnels 2.0. So this has been pending for a while. I've been using it, but yeah, I had a video. I created a video at first, but it got lost in translation or somewhere uploading or something. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of Clickfunnels 2.0. It's new and improved, and I'm in the back end right now. This is the dashboard. So it gives you your sales. So it's basically an all-in-one platform. It's like a CRM slash website builder. I think that's one of the new features they added to it, being able to build websites and include blogs. So it's like literally one-stop shop, all-in-one solution. So I've already Sergo, welcome to ClickFunnels 2.0. I have 4 steps left about out of how many steps? A checklist of things to do to get your site live. Alright, so there's a welcome to CF 2.0. Thanks for joining ClickFunnels 2.0. Get started by going through this checklist here so you can learn about how ClickFunnels can maximize your results online. Alright, we are currently shipping a dozen or more updates daily, every day. Visit our features, feedback and feature request board anytime to let us know what you'd like to see. Watch this quick intro video to then get started building your funnel hub, sites, funnels, and blogs. So as I said, sites, funnels, and hub, and blog. So let's check out the quick video. See what it's saying.
If you're watching, you're one of like 10 people on the planet who have ever seen Clickfunnels 2.0.
Top secret message from Russell Brunson.
Now I'm getting nervous.
Hold on, I'm moisturizing my lips for
Top
this.
secret, don't show anybody else. So this is the inside of Clickfunnels 2.0.
Russell!
This is great. This is so cool.
Yay! Goodbye, WordPress.
I'm gonna cancel Kajabi.
I'm like, Dad, I'm not using you anymore.
Oh my god, dude, global products.
So you guys said that. She said she could, one guy said he's gonna cancel Kajabi, and this lady said goodbye WordPress. So basically, ClickFunnels has upped their game to the point where they're replacing popular web creation web platforms like WordPress and Kajabi, because Kajabi has been known to be all-in-one. And also, I think there's another one, not Kartra, but I think is Entreport. Yeah. So ClickFunnels 2.0 will be replacing all these guys. Plus, they have that super funnel. They specialize in funnels, so you could be able to do everything on the back end of ClickFunnels, not just funnels and landing pages. So let's continue the video.
Set it up once and it's done.
So I've been waiting for this probably 2 years.
Hold the phone. SEO optimized.
Holy smokes.
Or the ability to collaborate.
To be able to have my whole team.
You can see exactly what they're doing. It's real time.
And the whole Google Doc thing. ClickFunnels, better than Google. That's the tagline. You're welcome.
It makes building funnels way faster.
Page speed improvements, huge.
It builds now the way that he's taught us to think.
Dad, the funnel pages?
One of my favorite things is like if I want to see the pages, I can just quickly click on a different page and it boom pulls a new page in the edit.
Universal menus across everything. Oh. I don't have to copy it 50 times to every step of this funnel anymore.
That is gonna.
So you guys heard this. So you don't have to copy multiple times. The page speed is improved significantly. So yeah, there's some serious advantages to ClickFunnels 2.0 as compared to 0.1. With ClickFunnels 1.0, it was very, how do you call it? It was technical. So most people would need someone to help build it out for them, build out the funnels. But with this guy right here, drag and drop is simplified and they're constantly updating. So let's just continue the video.
It saved me hours.
The amount more speed we can get stuff live is unbelievable. Like,
Dude, look at that split tester.
Building funnels with ClickFunnels.
Split testing, key component. That's what differentiated ClickFunnels from the other landing page builders, except Lead Pages. Lead Pages does have the split testing functionality, but it doesn't have the funnel capability of ClickFunnels. So
Funnels now is going to be even easier than ever before.
They've listened to all the feedback we gave them over the years, and they put it in there.
Now it's almost like the market leader is coming back and like patting everyone else on the head and going, "Oh, good try."
And it looks like ClickFunnels just grew up.
that was kind of funny.
Funnels just graduated.
It'll feel like ClickFunnels, only better.
This is like ClickFunnels 10.0, not 2.0. This is so awesome.
Alright, so it's not coming soon, it's actually here already. So you guys could click the link in the description and check it out. Take it out for a test drive, 14 days free trial. I think there's also a 30-day free trial. Test it out, see how it goes. You could actually build a site on it, build a website. I'll show you guys in the back end. Alright, cool. So that's step one. Step two, set up your funnel hub. So in the set up your funnel hub, your funnel hub is the homepage for your business. So let's set it up and we'll use it as a feature place for everything else you create. So let me just unlock that page. Yeah, I was in it testing out the stuff. So I was checking out the various themes and stuff. So here we go, my site and funnels. So dark horse theme, there's different themes you could use. Alright, so I have some steps: upload my logo, customize my site. So I'm making this customized. So everything so my site will be like a landing, a ground zero for anything I'm promoting. So it'll have all my funnels within it. So that's like excellent. All right, so let's get back to the dashboard and see the checklist to make everything live. All right. So what's the funnel hub? Why start here? What's this introductory training? So let's see how long this is.
Hey, what's up? Mike Schmidt here.
AJ Rivera.
And we're from Agency Coach, the creators of Funnel Hub. And we're super proud to be taking you guys through the process of understanding what you're about to go through with respect to creating your very own Funnel Hub inside of Clickfunnels 2.0.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. So we want to share with you a little bit about Funnel Hub and what it is, and then share with you exactly what it's going to be to actually build this thing.
So you see this, the Funnel Hub is a funnel-driven website. It's not just a landing page, it's a funnel-driven website. So that's why I said it's like ground zero. It's like your launch pad, your launching platform for everything to do with your business. So you can set up different businesses, but you'll have a central location from which, so the hub is literally Funnel Hub, a hub for all your funnels. So for example, digital marketing, 24/7 digital marketing, that's my other company name. We could get funnels for a variety of different products, but from one central point. It'll be this website here, this will be the hub, and the funnels will be like arms, like an octopus, so all spiraling out from the central hub, different funnels. And then I'll be able to see what sales I make from the various funnels within there and how many leads. So it's like a centralized platform. So this is basically sales driven and profit driven. It's all about monetization, monetary, like how many sales, how many leads. So I think not to shade on lead pages, but lead pages started adding the financial e-commerce component to how do you put it, fulfillment on your landing pages. But this makes it more centralized, this makes it more seamless, because ClickFunnels has always been e-commerce driven and leads and sales driven, so this just makes perfect sense.
So the Funnel Hub is a funnel driven website, and it's the first thing that people find when they're looking for you. And its main job is to capture that attention. The people who are looking for you, who might be looking for your brand name, they might be looking for the products or the services by the names that you call them. They might be looking for your company. And its job is to capture that attention and direct it back into the funnel, because we all know that the funnel is the #1 place to actually convert a lead and an opportunity into a paying customer client.
There we go. The funnel is what's used to convert a lead opportunity into a paying customer or client. It could be one single payment, it could be recurring payment, it could be a subscriber. So it's also driving subscription. So guys, I'm gonna I'm gonna just pause on this video. I'm gonna go scroll down to the other steps. Click the link below, sign up for a free trial, 14 or 30-day free trial, and just continue watching the video. Once you start getting your checklist, remember it's a free trial, there's no charge. Alright, you'd get it for free. You can do all this stuff for free. You could go in, take it for a spin, set up your site. You love the site that you set up, and then if you want, you can pay later. But trust me, you wouldn't want to go back to Clickfunnels 1.0, and it'll make your WordPress site look like kind of backwards, Stone Age. So yeah, so the step 3 is set up your blog, and that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. So Clickfunnels 2.0 can power not just your funnels and your funnel hub, but also your entire blog. Alright, so that's what I was in the process of doing, setting up the blog, which I showed you guys here, the site overview, and then there's a blog component here as well. You can set up examples, and it's also, you heard in the intro video that the the website are SEO optimized, search engine optimized. So that is major. All right. So jump in, set up your blog, and create your first post to try things out. Our entire page editor experience is available for post content. Imagine that, for post content. All right. Step number 4: create your first course. So you can actually create your course on Clickfunnels 2.0. So that kind of puts, I dare say, platforms like it is going to compete with platforms like Teachable, I swear, and other course-based platforms. So yeah, so Clickfunnels 2.0 courses are more powerful than ever and more customizable than any no-code solution on the market. So you see, they want to go toe-to-toe with freaking Teachable, I swear. Yeah, that is next level. So it's not 2.0, I think it's like what, 5.0 or 7.0 or even 10.0. Alright, so you can set up your customer center, create courses, manage enrollments, contacts, and more. Alright, so and step number 5 is set up funnels, workflows, email, products, and more. I mean, guys, come on, you can't beat that. All right. So a sneak peek of what's coming. So it's basically an email, a CRM as well. So they're gonna compete with Awebers, the GetResponses, the Constant Contacts, the Kartras, the what's it called? Is Thrivecat email? I'm not sure. No, Thrivecat is an email. But even yeah. Maybe even SendGrid. I don't know, but because they actually ClickFunnels 1.0 has SendGrid integrated. So, all right. So I already got my payment gateway set up, completed. So, yeah, but I'm all set to and ready to accept credit card payments online. All right. So I need to create my funnel. So, guys, when I'm done with that, I'll just hop on another video and just show you what's up. Your most recent orders will show up here. Broadcast your most recent. So here we go. Email marketing. Your most recent broadcast will show up here, but before you can send email, you need to configure. So we need to set that up. All right. So these are the I still have set up my blog post. So yeah, guys, go in depth, check it out, take it for a spin, and just take the free trial, 14 days or 30 days free trial. There's the academy, and there's live training programs. All right. So let's see what the academy is about. So empowering entrepreneurs to change the world every click of the way. You know, Clickfunnels 2.0. You have to sign up for the 2.0 Academy, on-demand training, and understanding Clickfunnels 2.0. So there's training. It seems like it's training almost daily. So I'm gonna save this to my Clickfunnels 2.0 bookmark. So you just signed up for Clickfunnels 2.0. Join us on this webinar for a tour of the software, first setup steps, and a general overview of the basic concepts you'll need to understand as you build your online business in ClickFunnels. Alright, reserve my spot. So understanding sites, themes, and styles. So there's webinars, there's training for each component of ClickFunnels 2.0. So understanding the funnel editor, understand the page editor, build a funnel in CF 2.0, Clickfunnels 2.0. Alright, so guys, like, wow, it is major. Alright, and check this out, Clickfunnels Classic is in maintenance access. But yeah, so basically my next step is to migrate all my Clickfunnels 1.0 funnels into Clickfunnels 2.0, or just rebuild them. That'll be fun as well. Alright, so guys, just check it out. Yeah, just click the link below, sign up for a free trial, check it out. It's completely free. Check it out, and yeah, see what it has to offer, see how different it is, and just explore these other menu options. I'm gonna go through these as well in future videos, so just check it out. So it's quite impressive, I must say, and that is a major leap. It's a quantum leap for these guys, major step, and they going head to head with some of the major competitors in the market. We're looking at their WordPresses, the Awebers, etc. So alright guys, so check it out, leave a comment, drop a comment in the comment section. Just let me know what's up. If you've already signed up for it, if you're interested, if you signed up for the free trial, let me know what's up. Alright guys, I'm out for now. Bye.